The documentary Moving the Unmovable showcased the immense logistical and engineering challenges of transporting colossal industries that weighs hundreds of tons. It details how the convoys carried oversized equipment like transformers, brood vessels, and generators across the extensive routes, where it stretched across the world, such as Trafford's, Manchester, Leeds, and many more. In this case, they also use specialized multi-axe trailers and heavy-duty vehicles like Trojan 8870, Unipower, and FAUN J71. So it guided by the trailers, police escorts, and also the logistical team to safely navigate steep gradients, tight turns, and various road types. Where this film also captures the moments of teamwork and mechanical coordination requires to move the loads up to 600 tons and more with remarkable precision, ultimately celebrating human determination and technical mastery.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hazwani binti Muhammad Nasir, S700026. Today, I would like to talk about summary of how ocean shipping works and why it is broken. First of all, this documentary explains how ocean shipping support global trade by transporting billions of tons of cargo at extremely low cost. Large container ship make shipping more economical through economy of scale, allowing goods to travel thousands of miles at very low transportation cost. However, the documentary also highlights several challenges. As ships become larger, many ports struggle to accommodate them, leading to congestion, long waiting time, and supply chain delays. The video compares different port management systems, showing how more centralized port can handle dispute more effectively. In addition, the documentary focused on the human side of shipping. Seafarers often spend long periods at sea under difficult conditions, and this challenge became even more worse during the COVID-19 pandemic. Overall, the documentary concludes that although ocean shipping is one of the more efficient transportation systems in the world, it remains highly vulnerable. A signal disruption at a port or within the supply chain can create significant impact on global trade and the world economy. Ocean shipping is essential for global trade because it is highly efficient and cost-effective. However, it depends on complex port operation and global supply chain, make it vulnerable to dispute that can affect economy worldwide.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Elisha Adonaminti Mangso. My number metric is S73205. For my part, I will summarize the documentary Europe Megaport, the giant logistic hub of Rotterdam. So, the port of Rotterdam is the largest seaport in Europe and serves as a major gateway for global trade. It handles millions of containers every year and connects Europe with international market. So, one of its key strengths is the use of smart technologies such as automated cranes, AI-driven logistics, and digital tracking system. This innovation improves efficiency, reduce delay, and lower operational costs. Besides efficiency, the port is also committed to sustainability by reducing carbon emission, using renewable energy, and promoting greener shipping practice. Overall, the Port of Rotterdam demonstrates how innovation, efficiency, and sustainability can work together to support global supply chains. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Syamimi binti Zakaria. My metric number is S70674. Today, I would like to present a summary of the documentary Logistics of the Future. This documentary explains how logistics has become one of the most important industries in the world because it supports global trade and our daily life. It begins by showing the high number of parcels handled every year, demonstrating the increasing demand for fast and reliable delivery service. Next, the documentary introduced smart warehouse where robots and employees work together to sort and process packaging efficiently. Advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, automation, and big data help improve accuracy, reduce delivery time, and increase productivity. The documentary also highlights the importance of global transportation network. Cargo aircraft, delivery vans, and bike couriers all play an essential role in ensuring goods reach customers on time, especially during the final stage known as the last mile delivery. In addition, Deutsche Post DHL Group is presented as a leading logistics company that combines technology with skilled employees to meet growing customer expectations while responding to challenges such as digitalization, climate change, and economic uncertainty. Overall, the documentary shows that logistics is much more than transporting goods. It is an invisible but essential system that keeps business operating and connects people around the world. It also emphasizes that the future of logistics will rely on sustainability, innovation, and continuous digital transformation. Thank you.
Okay, for the documentary, why Germany is so good in logistics, Cargo Up, Leipzig, take viewers inside the operation of Leipzig LA Airport, one of the Europe's most important freight hubs. It begins by tracing the airport's industry, noting its transformation into a logistic powerhouse after DHL established its central hubs that is 2008. Since then, Leipzig has grown into Germany's second largest cargo airport, handling over 1 million tons of freight annually. The film emphasized the precision and speed of logistic processes. Planes land cargo is unloaded, sorted, and reloaded with remarkable efficiency. It highlights the seamless coordination between ground crews, planners, and technology systems that ensure goods move quickly through the hub. Beyond the technical aspect, the documentary underscores Leipzig's role in the global supply chains. By connecting Europe to international markets, the airport enables the rapid movement of essential goods ranging from consumers' products to industrial equipment. The narrative portrays Germany's logistics success as a blend of infrastructure investment, technological innovation, and human expertise. Overall, the documentary presents Leipzig LA as a symbol of Germany's reputation for world-class logistics, showing how teamwork and engineering excellence keep the flow of global trade running smoothly. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to briefly present the documentary of UPS Worldport, inside the giant logistic powerhouse. The documentary takes us inside UPS Worldport in Kentucky, which is one of the world's largest logistic hub. Every day, the facility handles around 2 million packages, making it center of UPS global delivery network. One of the main highlights in the advanced automated sorting system called the POSI sorter. This system uses conveyors and dividers to quickly direct packages to their correct destination, ensuring speed and accuracy. The documentary also shows how Worldport has expanded over the years with new facilities, aircraft hangars, and improved training centers to support growing global demand. Finally, it emphasizes the importance of teamwork, where engineers, ground crews, maintenance staffs, pilots, and controllers work together to ensure smooth operations. Overall, the documentary demonstrates how technology, innovation, and human collaboration makes UPS Worldport a symbol of modern logistic efficiency. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Now we are going to the group task and I will explain the first two reasons why warehouse is important for teach global Senyum Berhad? This is the question first. Alright. First, managing global supply chain risk. Since Technoglobal import electronic product from overseas, the company may face shipping delays, port segregation, or customer clearance issue. By keeping safety stock in the warehouse, the company can continue supplying product to the retailers, service center, and online customer even if import goods are delayed. This helps prevent stock shortage and ensure business operation continue smoothly. Second, economy of scale. Instead of importing producer in a small and frequency shipment, Technoglobal can import in large quantities to reduce transportation and handling costs. Once the production arrives the warehouse, they divide into a smaller order based on the customer requirement before being distributed throughout Malaysia. This approach is more cost effective and improve overall distribution efficiency. Okay, next I will explain the third and fourth key pillars. The third pillar is reverse logistics. In the electronic industry, product returns are common because of a warranty claims, damaged product, or customer return. The warehouse acts as a central location where return product can be inspected, repaired, refurbished, or safely disposed of. Okay, this make the return process more organized and prevent the disruption to the supply chain. The fourth pillar is a product integrity and security. Electronic products are sensitive to heat, humidity, and dust, which can damage import components such as battery and motherboard. Therefore, the warehouse should provide a climate controlled environment to protect product quality. Since this product will also hide the value, security measures such as CCTV, access control system, and high security storage area are essential to the reduced risk of theft. Okay, before we go into the question number 2, my name is Nurul Syafiqah binti Muhammad Asri, number matric S71404. Alright, now the question 2 is warehouse operation flow. Now, I will explain the first 4 stages of the warehouse operation flow. So, the first stage is receiving. One common problem is congestion at the loading bay, which delays the unloading process. To solve this, Technoglobal should implement a pre-advised shipping notice or ASN system to schedule arrival times in advance. The second stage is inspection. Sometimes electronic products have a hidden damage that cannot be seen during a quick inspection. Therefore, the company should use a standard quality checklist and perform sample testing on every shipment. Third stage is put away. If products are placed randomly in the warehouse, employees will spend more time researching for them. A warehouse management system or WMS can assign specific storage location for each product, making inventory easy to manage. Finally, the fourth stage is storage. Since electronic products are sensitive to dust and static electric, the warehouse should use climate controlled storage area and specialist risk to protect fragile items from damage. Okay, next are the final 4 stage of the warehouse operation flow. The 5th stage is picking. A poor warehouse layout causes workers to walk longer distance, making the picking process slower. This problem can be solved by using a zone picking strategy and placing high demand product closer to the packing situation. The 6th stage is packing. Using the wrong box size can waste space and increase the risk of product damage during a transportation. Therefore, Technoglobal should use a standard size box together with a protect material such as anti-static bubble wrap. That's all. Thank you.